Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Friday, October 12th. I'm going to go over the market for the day and week with you. So a lot of support in these grain markets has some people a little bit puzzled as far as why this support continues through from yesterday's trade. You do look like you're just in a technical friendly atmosphere and maybe trading off continued talk of just what kind of problems the snow will push into a lot of these areas and the precip, how long it's going to take with the colder temperatures to really get guys back in the field. And so it's enough of a friendly atmosphere. Followed it through. Corn market up 4.5 cents today. That puts it up 5.5 cents on the week, so a lot of support in this corn market. You do have some topside targets opened up now when you look at the December contract, 374 to 380 to 388, so those are targets to look at. Over into the soybean market, that's where you saw the most support, even though you had really dismal export sales here today, up 9.25. Overall on the week, still down 1.5 cents though, so still down on the week. You are looking at some price counts out there for November, 887 to $9. That's one to keep in mind looking at that. But overall, when you look at the big picture of beans, there's fundamentally very negative, but it's just a matter of how long will we get this support. Sounds like a lot of elevators, a lot of farmers are switching to corn, going heavy on corn right now and leaving those beans in the field for the time being, and that may push back harvest enough not to put some pressure onto this market for the time being. Over the wheat market, a lot of support there, anywhere from 4 to 10 cents higher today on the week. Minneapolis wheat down 3 3/4, Minneapolis up 3, and then Kansas City steady. So not a whole lot of movement there when you look at those. Over to the cattle markets, a lot of pressure into feeders and lives this week. Cash trade did come in about steady to slightly lower across the board. When you look at the futures, feeder cattle just over $3 lower on the day or on the week, and then live cattle down just over $1.50 on the week. And then when you look at hog market, you continue to get some small stories of African swine fever out of China still. So it's been enough to support that October contract. That is going to go off the board. So what we have here is 55 cents higher on the week, and then we're going to have a big change over the December contract moving forward. What we'll be watching is just seeing these weather forecasts. It would really help out if we could find some heat into the forecast to move harvest along. Otherwise, you're kind of stuck in a rut, and we probably won't hear a whole lot of harvest potential until midweek next week. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a great day.